Introducing PMB Aluminium's state-of-the-art extrusion plant, where innovation meets sustainability. Equipped with cutting-edge technology and designed to meet the growing demands of the industry. With increasing global focus on sustainable energy solutions, our facility is dedicated to supporting the solar industry's growth. By leveraging our expertise in extrusion, we can provide customized framing solutions that meet the unique requirements of solar projects, ensuring maximum efficiency and longevity. In addition to our manufacturing capabilities, our anodizing line plays a crucial role in enhancing the performance and aesthetics of solar module framing. Anodizing not only provides a protective layer against corrosion and wear, but also offers a wide range of vibrant colors and finishes. At PMB Aluminium, we are proud to contribute to the global transition towards clean energy. Our commitment to excellence, sustainability and innovation drives us to deliver solar module framing solutions that exceed industry standards. With a team of skilled professionals and a dedication to continuous improvement, we are poised to be your trusted partner in the renewable energy sector. Together, let's shape a greener future with precision, efficiency, and unmatched quality.